Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to show you real quick how to get your paper trading account set up with Webull Mobile. Okay, so if you want to practice stock options, they do have a mobile version available. You're just going to click on menu. Once you're in there, click on paper trading. It'll give you the option to change the amount that you want to start with. So I'm going to click the reset button real quick, but let's just say that I want to start with $1,000. You type that in and click confirm reset. To trade, you're just going to go ahead and click on options. I'm going to select SPY and you will see that your option contracts are selected. Now, if you are a part of my training, you should know how to identify a contract. So that is there for you. So I'm going to just go ahead and select something real quick just so we can see. I'm selecting anything right now. And then once you go ahead and you put your order in, you're going to click your option paper trading. Your number of contracts are going to be right here. You can change your order type from a limit to a market, okay? And then you also have your time and force here. So if you like everything that you have set up, then you just go ahead and click options paper trading. Once you've done that, it's going to tell you that the order is working, okay? Now it's been filled and I am in the trade. So if I go back, I'm going to click cancel. Right here, I can see my positions, okay? This is my positions here. To close my position, I'm just going to click it and I'm going to sell to close. It will prompt me again. If I want to immediately get out, I will get filled at whatever that market rate is, but you have the option of selecting market, okay? Or you can keep limits. And if you have multiple contracts, you can take partials by doing so here. And then just click options paper trading. And we're waiting for it to say that it's been filled. And now my orders have been filled. So if we go back, you will see that I don't have any positions open. I don't have any open orders. And that I had a profit of $3 here. So that's essentially how you are going to paper trade on your account.